Hi everyone, here's another Natalia's food tips video, and this one is talking about food preparation. You can see we're preparing some salmon here. We've got some flax, sunflower, pumpkin seed, blah 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 mix there, but the one I'm going to focus on is the chicken over here. So obviously I try to avoid cooking because she's so good at it, but this is a simple recipe for chicken that just tastes fantastic, and it keeps the chicken really moist for a whole week. This is about 6 portions worth. And Nat, could you just tell us what's in this chicken?
So it's lighter mayonnaise, low salt ketchup, and thyme.
There you go, guys. So just 3 ingredients, obviously, plus the chicken. This is obviously skinless chicken, bought from Lidl. They do really good chicken over there. And there you go, guys. And how long do we cook that for?
About 50 minutes.
There you go, guys. And that's prepped for 6 days, so that's 6 meals sorted on one tray.